Hey, it's black on black on black. The black never ends. Sweet 2018 Mustang, pitch black, black interior, black emblems, and a black Whipple Gen 5 Supercharger. Let's go look at the engine compartment. Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. If you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Like I said, we have an 18 GT in here with the Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger. So, complete Stage 2 intercooled kit, 132 millimeter throttle body, larger fuel injectors, about another pound of boost from the Stage 1 provides. We're gonna make a dyno pull and see what this thing makes. It's also running a set of long tube headers and free flowing exhaust. We're on a 93 octane pump gas, and it is a manual transmission. So hey, if you have more questions about this, don't forget I'll leave a link in the description so you can read more about it, as well as how much this costs to get installed. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Let's make a dyno pull. All right, check this graph out and check out the torque. So, DynoJet, we're rating an SAE. We made 690 real horsepower at 7,500 RPM, but I went wide open throttle about 2,700 RPM, 530 torque. And what's awesome is at 3,000 RPM, we're over 500 torque. And if you look at this all the way across, we're over 500 torque all the way to about 7,000 RPM, where it falls off just a hair. Not much, maybe 20. But that makes for a very, very fast car. So 690 real horsepower, 530 torque, 6 setup. It's gonna feel really fast on the street. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. And don't forget, subscribe and notify us up to date. Thanks for watching.